In this video, I will show you how to review the feedback an instructor gives on a submitted text file for an assignment. This could be a paper or a smaller assignment like a reflection or a proposal of some kind. It is important to note that feedback will look different depending on the grading method used by the instructor. They may have used a graded rubric, typed feedback, or made annotations on the submitted file. For this video, we will be looking at an assignment that has all of these available. To begin, start by going to Grades in the course. On this page, you'll be able to see your grade, as well as some general assignment feedback from the instructor if they included any. If I click the assignment, I will be taken to the assignments page, where there will be even more grader feedback. First, you will see the submission status, which should say graded. If you continue to scroll down, you will see the grading criteria that summarizes the rubric. What we are looking for, though, is the feedback section. Here you'll see the grade, when it was graded, and who it was graded by. The same general comments from the gradebook can be found here. At the very bottom is an annotated PDF if the instructor used this method of feedback. Clicking View Annotated PDF will open the comments and markup your instructor made. The comments and markup may look different depending on how your instructor uses the tools that are available to them. Text can be highlighted to draw attention to it, or a freestyle marking could be added to annotate text. Additionally, the dialog boxes that are scattered throughout can be opened to view a longer comment. Below this is the completed rubric, which breaks down the categories of grading and offers some feedback for those categories if it was provided. All this feedback can be extremely useful for a weekly assignment like this one, or if revisions are accepted by the instructor. If you have any questions about viewing instructor feedback, we recommend contacting your instructor using their preferred method of communication.